Salutations, Construction Nation. Let's roll through a CVA. Or as the layperson calls it, a Customer Value Agreement. What are they, one might ask? A CVA, I reply. It's an easy ownership plan between you and your cat dealer that you put to work to change your work life. Don't mind me and my peace of mind. I'm just relaxing knowing my equipment's up and running. I got health alerts on my phone screen, so I know my machines are staying healthy. Plus, when something's wrong, my dealer calls me. Hang on, let me take this. It's peace of mind. That's a CVA. That's what I get paid to say. What do you get paid to do? Work. Keep working. Make it easy. Talk to your cat dealer about a CVA today.